So before we start the working of SSH, I want you guys to follow us on our Instagram page and do hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Hello guys and girls, welcome to Bug Access. In this video, we are going to discuss about the working of SSH. Before jumping into working of the SSH, let us first see the technology which was available prior to SSH and does the same thing. This technology was known as Telnet. Now what does Telnet do? Let us take a scenario in which there are two users, user A and user B, and this guy wants to transfer the messages with the use of Telnet. Now Telnet was really unencrypted. Any third party intruder can easily read the messages as the messages were transferred into readable format and there was no security. So to overcome this security issue, SSH was introduced. SSH is the way in which two computers or two devices or two nodes can really talk into secure manner and no third party can intrude between them. The working of SSH is very simple. So let's get started. So for simplicity, we'll take here two users, user A and user B. Now what does user A do is, user A has this bag which contains the message. User A will lock the bag with his private key and sends to user B. So if the intruder comes in at this point, he cannot read the message as the bag is locked or the message is locked with user A private key. Now user B has received the message with user A private key and user B will again lock the message or lock the bag with his private key. So now this bag contains two keys, which is user A key and user B key, and this bag will again go to user A. Again, if the intruder comes in, then he cannot read the message as the bag has two locks now. Now what user A will do is, user A will unlock the bag with his private key and send back again to user B. Again, at this point, intruder cannot unencrypt the message because it has been locked by user B private key. Now at final stage, user B will receive the message with his private key and will unlock the message and will read the message. In this way, at every point of time, the bag was locked with user A or user B private key. So intruder cannot really see the message and all the communication goes in secure way.